Hi everyone, welcome back to Jen's Hangout. If you're new here, please hit that like and subscribe button and hang out with us and all of our craziness. Today we have both the ice cream beauty box and the beauty bag. So if I can hang on to them, we'll get a thumbnail. But there we go. So yeah, and I have two boxes because I have January's and February's and I can't remember which one's which. So, and it's not like they have dates on them. So all I've done is just open them. So let's see. Oh, this is February's. So, because I remember Alice's video. So, the first thing we have are these two. These are Candy Chrome Loose Pigments by Shantico Beauty. And it's $24 for the two of them. I want to see these. I love their packaging. It is absolutely flipping adorable. So stinking cute. Oh, that is a stunning color. If that is the color. Yes, it is. Oh, that is beautiful. And they are very loose pigments, and I just dumped a whole bunch of it all over my couch. Great. Fabulous. Just fabulous. All down my leg. All over my couch. Oh, yeah. I'm going to have to get the cleaner out. Oh, it's wiping up pretty good. That is a beautiful color. I'm going to show you guys over the box next time. I mean, you can see the shift. That's the color because it's a clear lid. So, let's see what this one is. Ooh, it's a green. But I love the packaging. It's so stinking cute. Okay, yeah, that one's beautiful. I love green. This one is just, it's called Illusion Multichrome Eyeshadow, and this one is Litmus. So very pretty, very, very pretty. Those are gorgeous. Totally stoked about those. And then there is this little palette by Marabella called Undressed, and maybe I can get into it without ripping. Let's see if I can. I doubt it. We'll see. I'm using a pen cap to get into stuff. Oh, it's ridiculous. Anyway, so this is really nice. I Love You by Marabella. And how do we open? Open Sesame. Okay, there we go. That is a very everyday neutral palette. Like very much everyday neutral palette. So cute. I like the design of it. It's nice. So there's that. And then there is this absolutely adorable lip gloss that is by Muse, Heart of Gold lip gloss. That is so cute. I'm not going to get into it yet. There is mascara here, looks like, by Queen Cosmetics. And I'm assuming it's just black. Dragon Lash is what it's called. So I have a bunch that's already opened, but I love the packaging. But we'll give that a try when I whittle down my mascaras again. And then last but not least is this 3-pack of brushes. These are really cute. They're kind of a rose gold color. Very pretty. Very, very, very pretty. So let's go over the prices really fast. The palette by Marabella has a price of $50. I don't think so. The Multichrome for 2 of them is $24, which is actually a really good price. The Dragon Lash mascara is $18. The lip gloss is $5, and the 3-piece brush set by IBY Beauty is $32. So not bad. Not too bad. Okay, let's look at this bag. I don't know if it's for February or January. I could not tell you. This is January's bag. Okay, so this is adorable. Look at these. These are gorgeous. These are the multi-purpose water activated duochromes. Just add water to make them work. Those are gorgeous. Those are gorgeous by Magic Castle. And those are $28. And then this is from Okalon Beauty. It's all sealed up. I don't want to open it. But that is a really good everyday kind of neutral. You could get a good smoky look out of that. This is a really pretty palette. And it is $15. And then this is by Beauty Creations. And it's all sealed up too. And it's the Sweet Glow highlighter for $12. I have a gazillion highlighter palettes, so this will go into the giveaway box. So that's January's bag. The bag is only $12, you guys, or $12.99. So it's really worth it. Like, really worth it. Okay, this is the January box, and it's called You Are Art. And it came with this really cute palette. I am really excited. I know I said I had a ton of eyeshadow palettes. Or not eyeshadow palettes, but highlighter palettes and face palettes, which I do. But oh my gosh, this has to be a dupe for the Benefit one. Because, I mean, look at that. It looks just like the Benefit. So I'm going to try that out and see how it does. And then there is this palette. I have not opened it. I guess I should. Give me a second. Okay, so this is what the palette looks like on the outside. And it is called Rococo by Muse Beauty. And this is what it looks like on the inside. And man, those colors are not as bright in the screen as they are in person. They're really pretty. Maybe now you can get a better look at it without the flavor saver on it. So yeah, that's a really pretty palette. Very pretty. Oh, so pretty. Okay, and then we got 3 Okalon eyeliners, liquid eyeliners. One is in black, one is in gold, and one is in purple. So there's those. So those are nice. And then we got a Melon Dollar Lips by the Beauty Crop. So that's what that looks like. I think it's a lip gloss. Yeah, High Shine Lip Gloss. And then there's this one, which is the Mirabella Eye in Champagne, which is an eye crayon. Eye crayons are always great. So that's what it looks like. And the prices are $45 for the palette. I think that's a bit high for the palette. For the eyeshadow palette, that is. And then it is $11 for the lippy. The eye crayons, $20. The 3 Okalon liners are $33. And then the Travel Tea Face palette is $15 by Beauty Crop. By Beauty Crop. So that's the January boxes and the February boxes. You got them all wrapped up into one big thing. So thank you for hanging out with me. Blessings to you all. I love you so, so much. And I will see you guys later. Bye.